Sup? Hello. I like cheese. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Galaxy Vlogs, and it's like gray out, but I don't think it's gonna rain. Well, today I am going. I was saying, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Galaxy Vlogs, and today I'm going to fireworks, and I decided why not to bring you guys along with me because I haven't made a video in a while. I meant to make a video when I bring my dog to the hospital, but I couldn't. So yeah, wait. Yo, guys. I think it's raining, but it's raining kind of hard. It's not raining hard, but I think we'll be fine. I'm not sure if they're gonna cancel it. I was gonna probably make it. Oh, I don't think it's raining. I think, yeah, my feet were just splashing off from the grass because it rained last night, and I thought they would cancel fireworks. I was probably gonna go. I thought we were gonna go to the movies because I thought they were gonna cancel the fireworks, but I think we'll be fine. Okay. Yeah. Here.
So there wasn't a lot of people on your softball float?
We're here. All right. So I actually see some blue skies, so I'm not that worried right now.
Also vlogging. Clap.
Clap. It's always clap when we're vlogging, pretty much.
So
we're walking to the
softball field where the fireworks are going to be. So
yeah, we're walking to the field where the fireworks probably. We're probably going to be one of the first people. Probably not people are going to be there,
so
but
currently right now it is 7:04, so we always come early.
7:04. The fireworks will probably go off at 8 or 9. We just noticed we can actually park over here.
So we can park
Yeah, over here.
over here. If you can see the parking lot right there.
And they're right here, aren't they? Right. Right there is the field where we're going to see the fireworks every year.
So every week we are doing more walking. We have a big bag with stuff.
Let me see my big bag with stuff. That's my big bag with stuff. Yeah, my dad just figured out we can actually.
I totally forgot they have live music.
So guys, before the fireworks, it's so much fun. There's glow stuff. You can see your friends. There's food trucks, like live music. Oh my god, this is like one of the most funnest things I've ever vlogged. Oh my god.
There are live music.
So my dad figured out you can actually park here. There's my truck, the red thing. So yeah, we're gonna walk down. Guys, I'm not worried about raining anymore. I said it was. Sorry, that's just me. Okay, I thought it was raining, but if it was drizzling, I could care less. But it's not. It's not drizzling. It's my shoes.
Leggings.
Yeah, we're wearing capri leggings. Mine has butterflies. Look, guys, like a layer of clouds. You guys can see it. Kind of looks like a rainbow too in the camera, but it's cloud layers, and I really like cloud layers. And the sky's starting to get blue, which I'm really excited about. Oh my god, guys, I can smell food. We can smell food.
We can smell.
Oh my god, a saxophone.
They have live music here.
Oh my god, I smell funnel cake. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, I'm wearing butterfly capri leggings. There. And sneakers. So yeah. My dad was having another conversation, and whenever, you know, dads have conversations, they turn out to be like 2 hours long. And we just walked away. Me, Mindy, and my mom, we always do that. Whenever he has a conversation, we just walk. Yeah, we just walk away. We just walk away. Guys, we just walk away because he just talks for so long, and I get annoyed. Oh my god, there's so many tents, just like last year.
So many tents with food.
Yes, it seems like a beautiful day.
I'm gonna get that butterfly thing. My favorite YouTuber.
Good thing we're here early because I want to get a spot more into the front. It's starting to get a little chilly, but that's because of the breeze. Oh my god, so much space to run around. Have so much fun. Funnel cake. We need funnel cake for the fireworks.
Right here.
All right, so we are now going to pick a spot in front.
So yeah.
And just to tell you guys, this will probably always be a collab with Mindy because we live with each other. Guys, we are on the blanket. I want to show you. Pink. Yeah, vlog and a vlog. This one's pink and it has stars, and this was Sweet Dreams.
I want this one to go on the top because
and we have this one which has roses on it. I don't use this one. I don't use that one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my brightness all the way up. Okay, guys, we're gonna go walk around now, and there's live music. You guys can hear in the background. And my mom was like, let's go walk around. And I was like, and we picked up our tablet. My dad was like, and the tablets need to come. And my mom was like, well, the bag. Like, then that's my excuse. People are going to see it with tablets. So I get to bring you guys with me. It's so cool. Guys, they have a cupcake truck. Oh my God.
There it is, a cupcake truck.
Cupcake truck.
Awesome.
Oh my god, guys. Cupcakes. Legitimately cupcakes. Legitimately. Guys, I'm definitely getting a chicken sandwich. Oh my god, guys. The sky is now all blue. It's so beautiful. There is a lot of water right here and a lot of chicken stuff. I'm probably going to get a chicken sandwich.
Like if you're gonna be here,
Hello. You can She don't even know. Look at those hot rods. Guys, we're about to check Mindy's toe because she said it hurts. My dad's gonna check it. What the heck happened to the bleachers? So sunny. Guys, what the heck happened to these bleachers? I'll probably take a time lapse for Musically of the sunset because it's really pretty. Like, look at that. It's kind of really beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Guys, oh my, rays of the sunshine, so beautiful. Yeah, and you thought I was taking a picture. We can go check out the live bands, I guess, because, I mean, maybe I could see my teacher there, and maybe my friends, so yeah, we can go. Live band. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's bubbles. Yeah, bubbles. There's bubbles all around us. Guys, I'm still surprised that they have a cupcake. Cupcake, guys. Cupcake stand. I love it. We're about to get a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, yeah. We're going back to the blanket to eat, and we got chicken sandwiches, some potato chips with ranch dressing, and water bottles. So yeah, it's like really good. I got a chicken sandwich. I love chicken. I love sandwiches. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done with my dinner. So guys, we just finished the chicken sandwiches, and oh my god, guys, they were so freaking good. And the clouds look really pretty right now. So I think I'm gonna make a time lapse of that. Oh my god, sorry about this. Well, I think I'm gonna make a time lapse of that. So yeah, enjoy the time lapse. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the time lapse. We're walking around right now, and I think I'm probably gonna get one of those balls that go like big and then they're small if you push them down. Or just so my friend, she moved, but this one's cool. She goes to. All right, guys, I got a light up emoji ring, and I got this. I actually saw my coach and my friend Chloe, so yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, it's so dark, so let me just put this on. Okay, now you can see me, guys. Kind of. So, Mindy found her friends. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, here. Okay, wait. Okay, now you can see me. So, Mindy found her friend here, and yeah. Yeah, she moved her blanket over here, and wait. Okay, so she found her friend over here, and now her friend moved her stuff here, and ew, and I had a creep, and there's chocolate. I saw this place. There's chocolate all over the place, and the fireworks will go off any second. And I've been playing around with I don't know if I showed you guys this, but. Do you think she has to make something right now? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Look. So that turns on, and it's really cool. Nah, turn off, okay. Start. I'm going to show you my music later. So guys, I think I can make a separate video of this in like music video form. It would be really cool, so I think I'll also get that. So yeah, I think I think let me just
Come on, where's the bar?
I think that I'll record both things. So I'm gonna record.
We will totally do musically right now.
I'm going probably to record when the fireworks are on. So yeah, see you guys over there at the fireworks, which will be 3 years later. So yeah.
3 years later.
Doesn't like green.
Oh my god! Reminds me of Harry Potter.
Or that stuff you knock on the door. In that door.
You should get this on video, Chloe.
She was getting her. Oh, I'm sorry.
Wow.
Chloe, green Christmas. It's a long pass on Friday the 13th.
That's what my rainbow was for.
I can show you as I discovered some pictures of my
I can't get any
when I get
pictures.
home. Oh wow. Rio would freak out. Jackson. Drake. Got it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh wow.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
It's
Like popcorn. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, I need to.
Guys, it's like popcorn. Let me move it. Look at that. Wow.
I'm trying to get a picture. It's like a waterfall.
Got it.
I have to freaking get it.
Wow. This one's gonna go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, this one's gonna go high, Mindy. Look. Wow!
Am I getting pictures?
3D. Chloe, that one's like 3D. Whoa!
Oh my god, Chloe Green. A whole thing of green.
Oh, this one's gonna go high. This one's gonna go. Whoa! You're like, yo,
dance visual.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm trying to get a good
Guys, this is so awesome.
Okay, I'm knocking.
That one went in a circle. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh.
I wonder if I can get a picture somewhere.
Yeah, it's really hard to get pictures of fireworks.
If I had my phone, believe me, I would be taking some
Look, it's another popcorn. I call that one a water fountain. Look, Mindy. Wow.
What? That was nothing.
Oh my god. They're setting off like so many fireworks.
Green.
Green.
You just missed it. I saw a lot of green.
Oh my god, that was like 3D.
I love that one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What the heck is that next to her?
Oh, wow. Get off of my channel. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, wow.
Mine has a picture. Yeah, I could update my phone.
Whoa.
Oh, that one was like.
Wow.
No, I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Which one is it?
LPS body. What's that? No.
Whoa, so proud.
Pretty, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
picture, guys.
It's the most wonderful.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Guess what? It's back to school time.
Like,
What if we're not in the same class? It's gonna really suck. Whoa, I like that one.
whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! I think this one's going high. Look at that. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa!
Mind blown.
Whoa! That one looks like a flower. Looks like a flower.
Yeah, but those are like, you get 3 views.
Rio, okay, Rio has been uploading videos of Leo the Doberman, so. No, he's really cute. He has his own little intro. Dogs.
Science are cool as dogs.
No, it's like this. Science first. Science is science.
Science is hard.
Yeah.
I think it's grand finale. The marathon.
See, now it's the
Yeah, now it's the finale, guys.
finale, guys.
Whoa!
It's gonna be posted on Minty TV. Whoa! Hold on.
Whoa!
I've been watching her Oasis series, and I've watched every single one. I've watched her series. Wow, so pretty.
3 at a time.
Do you come here every time? This is your first time going. You've never seen my video? I hope I can do this video.
I quit the Goblet of Fire. No one's listening to me. Oh, wow. Minnie, turn off everything for the big... Turning everything off for the grand finale.
Why? Wow, I like that one. I'm probably gonna watch it late. 9:27.
It's not late at all.
It's not late. I think we might watch Star Wars tonight.
Yeah, I want to watch Star Wars.
What time do you go to bed?
On weekends, whenever, like 12 or 1 o'clock.
I go to bed.
Can I go watch? What kind of you love episode?
Grand finale.
Really? I want it though. She's
sleeping now.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog with me. Like,
Hey guys, I hope you guys wait. I'm going to put this on so you guys can see me.
where's your face?
Okay, so.